This 2017 Jayco Eagle HT 27.5 RLTS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, external shower, TV, water heater, slide-out, DVD player, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, leveling jacks, refrigerator, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Jayco Eagle HT 27.5 RLTS is 7,865 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.